Hey guys, welcome back to Sabers Forever. I'm John, and today we're going to be going over a KReco Luke Skywalker lightsaber. Now this one's installed with a Goth Master chassis, so there's a lot to talk about. So why don't we just jump right in and I'll show you exactly what's going on. Alright, so this is the KReco Luke Return of the Jedi Hero lightsaber with a Goth Master chassis. Now, this is the kit that you would receive if you order it from KRsabers with the Metal Master chassis. I just want to start by saying this is probably my favorite Luke Hero lightsaber out there. The activation box alone is amazing. It looks great and it feels even better. You have amazing tactile sensation. And without fail, every time it always lines up, and you have a completely removable chassis. Along with the saber opening in multiple places and just having easy access to everything, you really can't go wrong with this lightsaber. It is such a cool kit. They thought of everything. So right now this is power and this is auxiliary. This has two tactile switches on the actual chassis itself there, and there's no LEDs or electronics at all in this activation box. Everything is on the chassis. So let's just get access to the chassis. So you wanted to turn on the saber, you would unscrew the pommel like this, and then there's a little kill switch right here.
He is strong with the Force, but talent without training is nothing.
Now this can just come off completely to reveal the speaker, but if you just wanted to turn it on and use it, there you go. It's on, and now you can turn the saber on. Now this is not a shine-through blade plug, but the blade is on. I'm sorry, the blade plug is lit. Now, blasters up top and power on the bottom. The saber, as I said, is sporting the Goth Master chassis. So you can see you also have your blinkies right there. Very cool. But then this comes off to reveal not only an absolutely amazing chassis that has plenty of places to light and beautiful cutouts, but it also has an OLED screen.
It's just Ben these days.
Where is he?
Battery level.
Luke Skywalker. I am a Jedi, like my father before me.
Are you a Jedi?
I am.
Now, in order to actually get the chassis out, you can undo the bottom, pull this out. I'm going to turn this off. And then you twist this to the left. Sorry, you twist it to the right. And then it just pulls out completely. Now, you can see there's nothing left in here. There is your saber. This is your entire saber right here. So your soundboard's actually right here, and the crystal pulls out, and this will show you the soundboard. If you wanted access to the micro SD card or the micro USB, there you go. It's all right there. Now, I did add some translucent silver plastic just to diffuse these three neopixels on top, but they animate fully, and yeah, really, really great. So you have 3 neopixel accents here. You have a neopixel for the crystal. You have your stock NPXL V3 right there. You have your OLED right here. I mean, this thing is totally packed. This is your removable battery. And then your switches with your LEDs and your kill switch and your 28mm bass speaker. So everything is just right here. Very easy access to everything, and it goes together the same. So when you're doing this, there's a track. So you can see here, there's a track system right here. And then what you're looking for is you want the bottom of the Saber, and along, you can see the screw all the way to the left right there. That one's the one you want to line up. And you can see it just like that. So you want to line that up so your screw sits in the track, and then this just pushes in. I do this so you can see it, just like that, and then twist to the right. Twist to the left, and you're locked in. Test your buttons. Make sure you have great actuation. When you're putting this on, twist it on, but if you feel any tightness, then maybe one of the fingers up top got pinched. So just make sure you're doing this. Don't do it quickly, but just feel it. And it's been working without flaw for me, so I doubt though there will be any issue. But then you can just turn the Saber on. Now this Saber has a bunch of Luke fonts, and it has the new Kyberphonic Kenobi series fonts on here, but the Saber will remember whatever font you leave the actual Saber on. Now it also has different crystal animations and animations for this. So this will just go right to red. And then right back to the scrolling.
It's just Ben.
Ben will do what Luke does, but his rests to blue. But it goes through the Metal Forge settings, and then so it's red, white, and then finally to blue. And then it'll do that in reverse, and then back to the scrolling animation. So,
Are you a Jedi? I am.
This Saber has music. Yeah, there's nothing that this Saber can't do. So if there's anything that I missed, let me know. Oopsie. So make sure your alignment's always good also. Dupe. All right. Now, after 15 minutes of the Saber being inactive, it will go into a type of deep sleep mode where the Saber will no longer respond to gestures, and it won't, the LEDs will just turn off to save some battery. Now, it's not true deep sleep, but it is enough to just kind of save some battery. If you wanted to save battery for real, though, just turn the kill switch off when you're done using it, and you're good to go. So, as you saw also, this is the blade retention screw, so you'll need an Allen wrench for that. But yeah, I absolutely love this Saber. The finish on it is amazing. And I think that anybody that buys one is going to love it too. Alright guys, that does it for this video. If you like what you see and you want to see more, make sure to like and subscribe to see more content featuring amazing lightsabers just like this. Luke is my favorite character, so installing this Saber with the Goth Master chassis has been a real treat for me, and I couldn't be happier with the way that these come out. I mean, Goth and KR just do such an amazing job, and if you're looking for quality work, you know, definitely reach out. So that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the content, and if there's anything that I'm forgetting or not going over, please let me know in the comments below. And until the next time, may the Force be with you.